You ever wonder why people in an organization resist change so much? There's lots of reasons, and there's lots of articles, there's lots of books that have been published on the very topic. Oftentimes when you read them, they'll talk about not enough buy-in, or there's a resistance because there's a fear that that'll disrupt their job security, for example. If you wanted to improve, let's say, an engine, improve the performance, one thing that's really important is you have to take it apart to understand how the parts work, and then decide which parts you can adjust to actually increase the performance. What we've done is said, look, let's look at that one component, which is you're asking me to make a change, so I need to learn how to make that change or get comfortable with that change and then start using the new thing or the new process. And there's techniques you can use that leverage both the brain biology and, of course, human behavior. The third component is, in fact, intrinsic motivation. Now, we use intrinsic motivation all the time in management. We know that if we set an objective, we try to get buy-in from people by helping them to understand what's in it for them or what's their connection to, say, the corporate goal. And when you combine intrinsic motivation with brain biology and social behavior, and more importantly, the current social behaviors that are occurring in our society today, then you can have a much more effective outcome and make the experience for your employees a much more pleasant one. So we're not solving the entire change management process, but what we are doing is looking at some of the subcomponents and saying, can we improve the effectiveness of one part of how we absorb information, how we retain information, and how we recall information. And if we can do a better job there, then we'll improve the overall performance of that change management.